Have you noticed something different about the streetlights in Barbados? Since May 2019, the Government Electrical Engineering Department and the Barbados Light and Power Company, BLNP, have been upgrading streetlights to become more energy efficient. This transformation has been spearheaded by the Energy Division in the Ministry of Energy, Small Business and Entrepreneurship.
The ministry is in the process of implementing the Public Sector Smart Energy Program, and one of the key tenets of that program is the Streetlight Retrofit Project. We would have made a target of retrofitting 85% of the streetlights with LEDs. We're changing out the HPS streetlights with energy-efficient LEDs, which use 50% less energy. At the end of the project, we anticipated savings of approximately US $1.7 million annually, which translates to about 4.3 megawatt hours savings in energy. This project was implemented in conjunction with the Barbados Light and Power, who owns and operates the streetlights on minor and major roads, and the Ministry of Transport Works and Water Resources, who operates the lights on the highways. As of August 2021, we've actually retrofitted 25,750 streetlights, and we've surpassed our target of 85% by actually retrofitting 88% of the streetlights. The Barbados Light and Power and GED would have both committed to continuing the transition as they continue their maintenance and installation of streetlights across Barbados.
The Barbados Light and Power was pleased to partner with the Government of Barbados, the Inter-American Development Bank, the European Commission, and the Caribbean LED Lighting Company on this massive project that we had islandwide in Barbados. We were contracted by the Government of Barbados to replace approximately 24,000 of our high-pressure sodium lights with the LED alternatives. We utilized 6 local contractors who we brought in prior to the start of the project, and we trained them in safety and the installation and maintenance of the lights, because at Light and Power, safety is our #1 priority. We were pleased to do this project because it helped us to work with the relevant stakeholders to advance the companies and the country's strategic clean energy alternatives. Many persons were greatly appreciative of the effort because it gave them a greater sense of security, and they also liked the fact that the light was directed where it needed to go. So we believe it's just a matter of time for persons to get accustomed to this new method of lighting, this new type of lighting, and the directional nature and the brightness of it. But overall, we have received good reviews.
I think it was an improvement in terms of lighting in the area, because we have some areas that was actually pitch dark, and with the introduction of these lightings, it have improved lighting somewhat. People in the community like the lights that was installed because they have made a great improvement within people who are coming home from work on evenings, I feel threatened, in case they get robbed or whatever. And we noticed that the other lights were more kind of orange and dull, but these lights are more brighter than the other ones. The reaction is great because some people feel more safe in coming out at night too. They have people with lamp on the blocks and whatnot, was scared to lamp on the blocks, but with these lights, as I said earlier, you feel more comfortable.
Now that the initial target of converting 85% of the island's streetlights has been met, the Government Electrical Engineering Department and BLNP will continue to replace all remaining streetlights with energy-efficient LEDs. This is another example of how government and the private sector can work together to become energy champions.